Hey there and welcome to another release notes video. This is for the Debutify AI theme as well as the Debutify login portal, as we're building an all-in-one e-commerce solution for Shopify. Now, let's get into this. We're into the beta V4 for the AI theme. We've had tremendous feedback and people are really happy with the V8, right? We've fixed a lot of fundamental issues in the V8. We've removed, we've made interchangeable widgets. We've now got a $1 trial for 30 days, which people are absolutely loving. We've revamped it to align to all the highest standards. We're in fact using the latest Shopify editions information to make sure that our theme is always at the cutting edge. It is super fast, super lightweight, and this is just the beginning, hence why we've had 4 versions in beta to make sure that it really we iron out the bugs. And we've been working very closely with the community and customers and partners to get all their feedback, and we're always looking into that. Now, there's a lot of exciting things to come, and so let's get into this. So in this one, we got a new one. We got cart testimonials widget. Had a number of people that want our testimonials that you can have on your product page in the cart page, and now you can do that. You can display real customer feedback to increase conversion values through the cart page through to the checkout page and build confidence on your website. Now, most of these, because we're in beta, are bug fixes and there are other improvements. We resolved a conflict with the sticky add to cart with the Kaching bundle app. The header found an issue occurring when multiple announcements were displayed in the header. Featured image fixed stretching issue for large resolution images, ensuring proper aspect ratio. We had a few people that the image resolution was just not right and it really is off-putting for branding. And main product section, clicking on media now loads a selected media instead of defaulting to the first media, right? So that's pretty good. A lot of people really wanted that. That was a bug that we've now fixed. And we ensure video maintains full width in stack mode for better consistency, so with a mobile desktop. So featured improvements we have in our FAQs, added a fillable option to enhance the new FAQ design, updated the help icon for improved usability. For the main product, for your main product, introduce an option to remove navigation arrows for a cleaner look. We're also making it so with products, we're adding templates, so one product page, template, landing page, and various other templates. Can't remember off the top of my head. We're doing the same for collection. We're building templates within the templates themselves so that you have these, well, basically they're layouts within the theme itself, so things are just even faster and laid out for you as we go down this path. And then as we go further down this path, we're getting it so that our AI can then do more and more of this for you, which is our store builder, as well as then AI to automatically optimize in real time as we start to really include analytics. Very important, I should say. To do all of this, you need the Debutify custom app for this. So please make sure you install it. It's free, and it gives our systems the permissions it needs to be able to actually run this stuff, especially as we're now got the foundations really rolling and we're really going to make this AI theme as a part of our bigger roadmap. In the header, we added an option to enable disable search functionality and implemented a transparent header color scheme for a modern aesthetic. The sales pop-up added a notice for improved user understanding. Checkout button introduced a loading animation feature upon clicking to enhance the user experience. The cart upsell, default upsells are now automatically added to cart. Eliminating manual addition, right? So just saving some time for your users and helping increase your average order value. Product section updated the slider to use Splide slider for better performance and smoother transitions. An integrated lightbox functionality, we've had a number of people ask about that, into the slider for an improved viewing experience. We're really trying to build a fully brand out of the box AI driven experience. UI improvements, the upsell bundle improved the font weight for the original and sale prices to enhance readability, again, so it really attracts those eyeballs to those key areas. Button effects, a cart discount model pop up, age verification, cart drawer, compare drawer, extended collection list, quick compare, wish list drawer, wish list section, and post comments form in a single blog. So we've added more button effects there to give people more choice and control as to how they want their brand to be laid out. collapsible content, removed unnecessary space at the end of the last collapsible block for a cleaner design, and the newsletter section improved the overall design, just basically made it more aligned to current standards. And there's just some stuff on how to get started, as you know. Now, the next part I'm going to go into is just more in our login portal, and I'm going to be explaining that more. A lot of really exciting stuff coming there. The theme is moving really, really well. Now we're working on the login portal a lot more, and you're going to see a lot of huge, big wins there. So let's get into that now. All right, so now we're into the Debutify login portal 3.4 release, right? So there isn't a huge amount of notes here compared to the theme, but we basically got the new AI-powered features. So our AI store builder, you can instantly generate and fully optimize a store with AI-driven automation. Set up your store with a pre-configured themes, layouts, all tailored for your niche, right? We're using the highest converting theme with a high converting AI store builder that we're going to just keep enhancing. Save time with the AI assisted design, ensure a seamless shopping experience. So this is just amazing, and this is just sort of the start of what we're doing. We've got our AI product title and description generator so that you can then do that for your various products. The AI banner generation, the AI blog generator, the AI background remover, and the AI logo builder. That's a big one. Easily generate professional logos with our AI powered logo builder, right? So you can create custom logos, you can remove the background of images, you can make blogs, you can add banners to your website, and this is all part of the subscription. Now, I should add here, I'm very excited about this. This is just the start. We're actually in the coming weeks going to have a review feature. So basically, so you can curate and get reviews all automatically part of the subscription for the Debutify login subscription. You're going to have an entire review app in there. We've got a research center, ad spy tool, and integrations coming, an AI landing page builder, as well as an analytics. We've got analytics coming into play a lot more so you can see that, and then AI widgets that will just automatically optimize as you start getting traffic, and we can use that traffic, we're going to automatically optimize your store. We've got a lot of partnerships coming into play to really sort of streamline this. We're really building this all-in-one e-commerce platform for brands, dropshippers, print on demand, as we further go down this path to really sort of support businesses of all sizes on Shopify. We've also got our email marketing app is coming out in about 3 to 4 months, and we're actually going to have segments of that in the Debutify login portal. So for instance, abandoned cart recovery I know is a really important one. We're going to have segments of that, and then you can get the full app if you want more of that functionality. So we're building a large suite of apps for the Shopify App Store that are segmented apps, and then also getting specific parts that's for the login portal that's specifically for the different needs that's needed there. And as we go down this path, we're just going to keep adding to that as well. So we're basically getting everything all into one tool. We do a lot of research, we know the market, and we're going to sort of keep encapsulating that in a very cheap, affordable, streamlined plan. And long term, then we're going to build an automation hub, and that automation hub will basically run AI agents to run everything for you. So if there's new products to add to your store, for example, and it meets some criteria, add it to the store, build the landing page, and even looking at having it so it integrates with Facebook, Google, and TikTok to start generating you campaigns automatically, as we really sort of take the entire legwork out. And so basically you just have this subscription, it does pretty much all the work for you, and our team just sort of supports you with that. That's sort of a 12-month trajectory as we go down this path. So be sure to stay tuned. We're going to keep going down this path as we make this all-in-one tool that basically has everything for you, fully automated using AI and AI agents. For those who aren't familiar with AI agents, basically AI right now is, it does that work for you, but an AI agent is basically, think of AI as something you manually have to get started, and it sort of does the work for you there. An AI agent takes that away. It just basically does everything for you. It's like having an employee that you don't have to pay that works 24/7. And that's where we're really, really excited as we go down this path. So be sure to stay tuned for all of this. We want as much feedback as possible. Be sure to check out our upvote changelog, as well as submit feedback through to our support team. We collate that and then we sort of prioritize what people believe is the most important right now, and we keep sort of building on that. We're building more templates as well for the theme. We're building more layouts into the theme, and we're building more products for the Shopify App Store as well, which you'll see in future release notes as we release our new products. So be sure to check us out on the Shopify App Store as well, as we're releasing a lot of new products over the next 12 months there too, as we're really sort of trying to do the best of both worlds. So very, very excited about all this, very excited to be announcing a lot of this big roadmap that we're working on. We've been working very diligently on our back-end infrastructure. It's had a lot of limitations, and now we've pretty much removed that. And now what you're seeing is now the fact that those limitations have been fixed, our code is aligned, our leadership's aligned, so now we can really focus on making product-rich, feature-rich products that really sort of streamline and automate that and really take all the legwork out. So be sure to stay tuned. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any comments, let us know down below. Otherwise, thank you for your time. Have a lovely day. Take care and goodbye.